So today we're going to take a look at how to use the auto keyer the right way. One of my biggest issues with people who teach animation, a lot of them say the auto keyer is awful and don't ever use it. I'm here to show you otherwise because it's a great tool for animation, and especially creating in-betweens and spacing keys. So what we have here is a simple ball that I've set main keys on for a bounce, right? So we've got start, the contact point, and then the lift off. So by pressing S, we key all of the translation, rotations, and scales in the channel box. And if you're working with a character, you would do this for all of the major controls. You would want to set keys on everything for the extreme poses, right? And then once you've got all of your major keys set, you can turn on auto key and you can start dealing with the in-between spacing and how the arcs are occurring. And if you even want to see, what the actual motion trail is, you can use another tool that Maya has, and it's under Visualize, and it's Create Editable Motion Trail. And so this gives you a nice view of where this actually is occurring, and it's editable so that anytime you adjust the key with auto keyer on, it'll automatically update that curve for you. So you can see that I can get a nice arc this way. And then again, coming back over here, I can adjust this however I need to. And get better results. And we'll probably need to add a few keys closer here just to get this. And these are the main positioning keys, just then you would go back in and add your, squash and stretch and new rotations and so forth. But once you have your keys in there, you can then use the hotkeys on your keyboard to hop through. So I'm using the period, right, which will jump towards the keys and then to the next key, and then the comma, which goes back. So period goes forward and comma goes back. And if you want to frame by frame this, you hold down the Alt key, and then also the comma and the period will go frame by frame for you. So hopefully this was a quick explanation that helps clear up how the auto keyer can really help you. Turn it off when you're not using it, because it can add keys to anything that's been keyed already. And that sometimes creates an issue. But if you know what you're doing, it is a wonderful tool.